Amazon Echo Show 15. The Amazon Echo Show 15 is more than just a smart display. It's a complete home command center in a sleek, wall-mountable form. With a vibrant 15.6-inch screen, it integrates seamlessly with Alexa to control lights, thermostats, and security systems while keeping your day organized. You can sync calendars, to-do lists, and reminders so the whole family stays on the same page. It doubles as a streaming hub, letting you watch Prime Video, Netflix, or even YouTube while you cook or relax. The SwitchBot curtain brings automation to your existing curtains without the need for complicated installations or expensive smart drapes. This compact device attaches directly to your curtain rod or track, and with just a tap on your phone or a voice command to Alexa or Google Assistant, opens or closes your curtains. It's perfect for creating scheduled routines like waking up to natural sunlight or ensuring privacy at night. It's also energy efficient, letting you block out heat in the summer or keep warmth in during the winter. The Ring Video Doorbell Pro 2 combines sharp 1536p HD video with advanced motion detection, giving you a crystal clear view of who's at your door from anywhere in the world. Its head-to-toe video framing means you can see visitors, packages, and even pets clearly. With two-way talk, you can communicate instantly with anyone at your doorstep, whether you're home or thousands of miles away. It integrates with Alexa for hands-free announcements and security automation, making it a powerful tool for both convenience and safety. The Ember Smart Mug ensures your coffee or tea stays at your ideal temperature for hours, so you never have to rush through a drink again. The mug connects to a smartphone app where you can set your preferred temperature and track battery life. Whether you're working at your desk, reading, or in back-to-back meetings, your drink will remain exactly how you like it. The sleek design fits naturally into any workspace or kitchen, and the charging coaster makes it easy to keep powered. The Amazon Smart Air Quality Monitor is like having a health inspector for your home's air. It continuously measures levels of carbon dioxide, volatile organic compounds, dust, and humidity, giving you real-time feedback through Alexa or the Alexa app. When it detects poor air quality, it can trigger connected devices like air purifiers, fans, or your HVAC system to improve conditions automatically. This is especially useful for allergy sufferers or households with kids and pets. Echo frames blend everyday eyewear with the power of Alexa, offering a discreet way to access information and control smart devices without pulling out your phone. The open-ear audio design directs sound toward you without disturbing others, letting you take calls, listen to music, or hear reminders hands-free. Touch controls on the frame make interaction simple, and the glasses work with calendars, messaging apps, and music services like Spotify. They're lightweight, stylish, and built for all-day comfort. Nanolith lines transform your walls into interactive art installations. These modular LED light bars can be arranged in endless patterns and sync with music, movies, or games for immersive effects. Controlled via app, voice commands, or desktop software, they offer millions of colors and dynamic animations to match any mood. Perfect for gaming setups, home offices, or creative spaces. They make a bold design statement while offering functional lighting. The Eufy Smart Lock Touch offers the convenience of keyless entry with multiple secure unlocking options. You can use the built-in fingerprint scanner, a smartphone app, a numeric code, or a traditional key if needed. It features automatic locking, so you never have to wonder if you forgot to secure the door. With weatherproof construction, it's designed to withstand outdoor elements while providing quick and reliable access. Perfect for busy households or Airbnb rentals. It makes managing entry a breeze. The Luna Smart Mattress Cover transforms your bed into a personalized sleep environment. Using embedded sensors, it tracks sleep patterns and adjusts the bed temperature throughout the night to match your body's natural sleep cycle. Cooler settings can help you fall asleep faster, while gentle warmth keeps you comfortable in the early morning hours. It integrates with Alexa and other smart home systems, allowing automation like dimming lights or starting your coffee maker when you wake. Govee Glide Wall lights offer vibrant RGB lighting in customizable shapes and arrangements. They can be mounted to create geometric designs or accent features around furniture, windows, or entertainment areas. With app and voice control, you can change colors, adjust brightness, and select from dynamic lighting scenes that suit your mood. Whether that's energizing daylight tones for work or soothing colors for relaxation. They even react to music for lively gatherings. The Muse S headband helps improve meditation, focus, and sleep quality by tracking brain activity in real time. Using IG sensors, it provides audio feedback to guide your relaxation sessions or help you drift into deeper sleep. The Companion app offers guided meditations, breathing exercises, and sleep soundscapes. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned meditator, the insights it provides can help reduce stress, increase mindfulness, and optimize rest. The Topo Smart Plug Mini turns any regular appliance into a smart one. Simply plug in a lamp, fan, coffee maker, or other device, and control it via app or voice commands through Alexa or Google Assistant. It's ideal for automating routines like having lights turn on before you get home, or shutting off electronics at night to save energy. Compact size ensures it doesn't block nearby outlets. The Anker wireless charging station is a sleek, space-saving solution for charging multiple Apple devices at once. It has dedicated spots for your iPhone, Apple Watch, and AirPods, eliminating cord clutter and keeping everything organized. The fast charging capability ensures your devices are ready when you need them, and its minimalist design looks great on desks or nightstands. Perfect for anyone deep in the Apple ecosystem. It keeps your tech powered up without a mess of cables.